Hello students, lesson number 12, percentage. Under this lesson we solved examples from our textbook, and today we will see the next practice set, that is practice set number 30. So here it is the first question, and the question is Shabana scored 736 marks out of how much? 800 in her exam. So what was the percentage she scored? So to solve this example, just now I told you how to do this. So first of all, here we have to find the ratio of the marks obtained to the marks, total marks. So ratio of marks are obtained to the total marks is equals to, so here first of all we have to say that Shabana scored A% marks. Let Shabana score 8% marks in exam. Okay, so A% means A upon 100. The meaning of it is that out of 100 she got the A marks. Then here we have to write the ratio of marks obtained divided by total marks. So here how many marks she had obtained? 736 out of how much? 800. So when we solve this example, as you know that A is equals to, I told you the both methods, this multiply this with the 100, otherwise take this 100 toward this side of the equation. 736 upon 800, and this 100 it is there, this 100 it will come here for the multiplication, so into 100. Okay, so if I will divide this, 0 get cancels with this 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 nines are 72, remains 1, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 60. So A is equals to how much we got it here? 92%. Okay, so here we have to write Shabana scored how much? 92% marks in exam. In this way we have to solve this example. Understand? So here what we had taken, first of all we have to assume that Shabana scored how many marks? A% marks. A% means what? A upon 100, and we have to write the ratio of which, that is obtained marks to the which? Total marks. So in this way we have to solve this example. Note down this. Now after this example we will move towards the second example. What is the example? There are 500 students in the school. So total number of students, how many are there? 500. In Dahi Handa village, if 350 of them can swim, out of 500 how many? 350 can swim. So what percentage of them can swim and what percent cannot? That both we have to find out. So to solve this example, first of all, as I told you before only, we have to assume that how many percentage, assume that the total number of students those can swim, okay, is equals to how much? That we have to find. So here according to the question, there are 500 students in the school. So here, and out of it what? 350 are can swim, they told you. So here we have to find out percentage. Let A% or X%, P%, A% students can swim. Student can swim. Okay. So A% means how much? A upon 100. Now we are finding the ratio of number of students swim to the total number of students. Now here how much is the total number of students? Total number of students are 500 is equals to, okay, and out of 500 how many can swim? 350. So here total number of students swim, those it is the 350, and total number of students in the school are 500. So A upon 100, that is A is the number of students can swim, and out of 100, so out of 500 350 can swim. So A is equals to 350 upon 500 into 100. So 0 0 get cancels with 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35 and here it is 70. So A is equals to how much it is there? 70. Okay. So 70% students can swim. Okay. So here we have read therefore 70% students can swim. Okay, in which village? That is Dahi Handa village. Now here one more question, and what is the percent? They cannot. So the number of students those cannot swim is equals to the students cannot swim. So out of 100 how many can swim? 70 can swim. So students cannot swim is equal to 100 minus 70 is equals to 30%. Students can't swim. Here we have read, and therefore 30% students can't swim. In this way we have to solve this example. Understood all of you? Then note down this, then we will take the next example. Okay. Next question is the Prakash saw Jawar of 75% of 19,500 square meter of his land. On how many square meter did actually plant Jawar? That is the question. Out of the total land is equal to how much? 19,500 square meter is the land, total land, and out of it 75% he sowed the Jawar. So to solve this example, what we have to 75% and 19,500 is the from that we have to find out. So how to find it? So here we have to write that Prakash sowed how much? A square meter land, that we have to assume. So here 75% given. So 8% of land. Okay, that is 70% of 75% of how much? 19 acre and 19,500 square meter. Okay, now to find it, what we have to do? We have to find the ratio of 75% means 75 upon 100. Okay, and how much is the total land? That is 19,500, and out of it how much land they sold? A square meter. We have to solve this. Now to solve this, how to solve this? A is equals to meter. So A is equals to 75 upon 100 into 19,500. Okay, so here 19,500. So 0 get cancels with this 0. Okay, and do the multiplication of 75 into 195. You will get the required answer of it. Okay, so here 195 into 75. 195 into 75. 5 5s are 25. 5 you here write 2 carry. 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 4. 5 plus 4 9 0. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 3 66. 6 carry. Then afterwards 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 6 is equal to 30. So sum of this 5. 7 plus 5 is equals to how much? 12. 1 carry. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 17. 1 carry. Then here 13 plus 3 plus 1 4 and 1. So here 14,725 square feet of land he sowed Jawar. In this way we have to solve this example. Understood? So here it is how much? 14,725. Okay. do these calculations properly yourself only. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this. Method is important. If once you understand the method, answer you will get the easily. Okay, sorry, it was deleted by mistake. Okay, check the calculations. Now here we will see the next question. Soham received 40 messages on his birthday. How many messages? 40 messages on his birthday. That above question is there? No, just as Jawahar I told you that calculation, just do it properly because it was deleted by me. By mistake it was deleted by me. Deleted. So here Soham received 40 messages. Okay, and out of this birthday of this 90% were birthday greetings. Okay, out of 40 messages 90% were the birthday greetings. So here also we have to find the ratio of which 40 messages. So 90% means how much? 90 upon 100. So total messages received greeting, number of greetings upon number of what? Number of greetings upon number of total number of messages. That in that ratio we have to find out. So here how many total messages are there? 40 messages. Suppose here we have to write Soham received X messages, X number of greetings, X number of greetings. So number of greetings is equal to, we have to find the ratio with the 90 upon 100 means 40. It is, and that 40 is the total number of messages, and from this how many X% are the X% is the 90%. So here when you solve this, X is equals to, how you will get it here? 90 upon 100 into 40. Yes, then 0 get cancels with this 0 get cancels with this 0, and 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. So Soham got how many greetings on his birthday? 36 greetings he got on his birthday. In this way, very simple examples are there. Only we have to put the values and find its answer. Okay, so in this way we can find the how many percent, from the percentage total number of greetings how many are there, that we can find it easily. Okay, now the next question is, can you solve these two questions in home? So first of all you just try to solve these examples. Okay, try to solve and then you just check whether your example is correct or wrong. Okay, so in above example we seen that how many means greetings he here how many other messages did he get besides the greeting. So he got 36 greetings. So how much left? 4 messages are left. Those are besides greeting. Understood? So answer of this question is the 4 messages. Okay, now we will see the next question. Here of the 5,675 people in a village, 5,448 are literate. What is the percentage of literacy in the village? That we have to find out. So literacy percentage we have to find out. So here first of all we have to assume that the literacy percentage in the village is how much? That is, suppose we will take A percent peoples are literate. So here we have, right, let A% of peoples are literate, let so here we have to assume that let the A% peoples are literate. Okay, now how to solve this? So A% means how much? A upon 100, number of literate people divided by total number of peoples. Here how many literate peoples are there? 5,448, and total number of peoples are 5,675. Okay. Now when we solve this example, how to solve this? A is equals to 5448 upon 5675 into 100. Okay. Now you have to do the calculation of this. Okay. And if you solve this example, you will get here 96%. Okay. So the both numbers are divisible by 5 first of all. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 1 remain, here we have to take 5 3s are 15, again here remains 2 and 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 0. Again these numbers are divisible by 5, 5 2s are 10, here remains 1, 5 2s are 10, here remains 3, 5 7s are 35 and then here 5 4s are 20. Okay, next here if you divide this, now these two numbers are divisible by which? These numbers are divisible by which? Just if you do the division of this, you will get the answer is 96%. Okay, all of you do this calculation. Okay, because your space is not available, so I am not showing to you. If you didn't understand, I will show you. Otherwise, I will solve this on the paper and I will send you its photo. Okay, so this is the example. In this way, you have to solve the example. Okay, so question number 6 is there that you just solve it yourself. If you are not understanding, then I will tell you how to find. Otherwise, I will tell you the method of this example. Then you solve this example. Okay, so here it's this question's answer is 96%. Now here in the election, this is also very easy. In the election, how many? 1080. That calculation you have to do. Okay, so in the election 1080 of the 1200 women are Jambulgaon. So this ratio we have to find out. So how much Jambulgaon's ratio we have to take A% and the another Vadgaon is there. Its ratio we have to take B%. And we have to compare greater proportion of women are cast their vote. So here A upon 100 equals to 1360. Sorry, not this is the 1080. So here what is Jambulgaon's ratio, right? Solve this and B% of which village? Vadgaon. So B upon 100 into is equals to what we have to take 1360 upon 1700. You just solve this both the example and find out Jambulgaon's women are more cast the votes or the Vadgaon's women's cast more votes. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this example. So today homework is that you have to solve 5th calculation and the 6 questions you have to solve. So these 2 examples solve and send on my personal number. So today we are going to stop here only and we have completed the lesson percentage. Okay, thank you and have a good day.